Living in Southwest Florida means sunshine most of the year, but it also means we need to be ready when hurricane season comes around. Preparation is the key to safety and peace of mind. Start with the essentials. You'll need at least 3 days of drinking water 1 gallon per person per day. Make sure you also have non-perishable food items like canned goods, protein bars, and peanut butter. A manual can opener is important in case the power is out. Don't forget baby formula, diapers, or pet food if you need them. Power and light are critical. Have multiple flashlights, lanterns, and extra batteries. Portable power banks will keep your phones charged, and a battery-powered or hand-crank weather radio will keep you updated with the latest alerts, even if cell towers go down. Health and hygiene matter during a storm. Stock a first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic, and over-the-counter medicines. Keep prescription medications filled and stored safely. Add personal hygiene items like soap, hand sanitizer, wipes, and feminine products. Masks and gloves can also come in handy. Your important documents should be safe and easy to grab. Place IDs, insurance papers, titles, home deeds, wills, and medical information in a waterproof container or sealed bag. Keep a small amount of cash available since ATMs and card machines may not work if power or internet service is down. Take steps to protect your home. Install or check storm shutters, bring in outdoor furniture, and secure anything that could become a projectile in high winds. Trim trees and clear gutters so water can drain properly. Test your generator early and store extra fuel safely outside the home. Before the storm, fill your car with gas stations may run out quickly once warnings are issued. Have a family evacuation plan. Know your evacuation zone and the closest shelters. Map out routes ahead of time in case main roads are blocked. Pack a go bag for each family member with clothing, toiletries, snacks, chargers, flashlights, and comfort items like a blanket or stuffed toy for children. Don't forget your neighbors and community. Check on elderly relatives or neighbors who may need help preparing. Make sure everyone knows how to contact each other if cell service is limited. Remember, preparation is what makes all the difference. Review this checklist with your family today so that when a storm comes, you can face it with confidence and peace of mind.